this video is a quick overview of our Canva account, and each other video that I do will dive into a specific thing that you can do with it. So when you log into Canva, this is what it looks like. Down here is where all of the designs the recent designs that we've been working on live, and you can also find all of our designs over here in all your designs. If you scroll down, it has some recommended templates for you. Things change with the season, so right now it's set up for Easter, and you can get all different kind of Easter templates. Keep scrolling down, there's all different kinds of things that you can make, and then you can also access the templates from up here. So you can see if you're trying to make something for social media, they have a template for Instagram story, post, Facebook cover, YouTube channel, LinkedIn banner, and then all different kinds of stuff, marketing. They have flyers, infographics, brochures. There's even the ability, I just learned that you can do like presentations in Canva. Oh, right here, see, presentation. So you can find all different templates there. All of the templates are completely customizable. So if you see something that you like the design of, but don't necessarily like the colors don't fit, so maybe down here, sorry about that, that's my vacuum. Down here is, so maybe this blue doesn't match the blue that you want. You can click on it. It'll open up the template for you, and you can go in and you can make all different kinds of changes. You can change the fonts, you can change the background, you can change the image. The template is really just a base for what you're able to do. Something to note about Canva, when you do click on a template, it opens it up in a new tab. So if you want to, let's say you like this one, but you're not certain about it, so you can click on it, it'll open up in a new tab to save it, and then you can keep looking for more. So maybe I want to look at this one too and kind of compare the two, see which one I like. And then down here, so you have all of the designs, all the templates, things that are shared with you. The brand kit, we'll go over that in another video, but that's where we store all of the information about our specific brand. There's a content planner, all your folders, and then things you've deleted. And then down here are different things that we do for different clients, or like here's where I did when we were doing lots of webinars, here's where I put all the webinar stuff. Here's the Web Be Complete, so you can navigate through there, see in Specialized Trust. Here's all of the posts that Justin makes for Specialized Trust, just to help keep it organized, organize it how you need to, if you're making something for a client or if you're making something for WebFeet, whatever makes sense to you. It's pretty easy to navigate through the system and find what you're looking for in here. So that's just a brief overview. Oh, actually, no, I'm not done. Sorry. So if you want to create a new design and you don't want to use a template, you want to design something completely from scratch, you're going to click Create Design. It's going to ask you what you want to make, and it'll give you the dimensions of what each thing is. And these dimensions are specific to each platform. So the Instagram post, the best dimensions for that is 1080 by 1080. Instagram story is 1080 by 1920. It has the business card dimensions, resume dimensions, like it has all that stuff for you. So when you click on it, let's say you want to make an Instagram post, you click on it and it'll open up just this blatant canvas, and you can go crazy with whatever you want to do. And we'll dive into that in another episode. This is just the brief overview of where to find everything. If you have any questions, just let me know, but it's pretty easy to navigate to figure out your way around. Awesome, thanks.